Hello, Brenton with All Octane here. In this video, I am going to open up the Monster Jam BroCamino Breaking World Records diecast that I was able to find on the pegs. I was waiting so long for this thing to finally hit the pegs or hit the pegs in my area. I have no idea. I wasn't able to find it. And one day I walked into Target and there it was on the pegs. I really like Diesel Brothers. It's a cool YouTube channel to watch if you're looking for more automotive content other than my channel. I suggest those guys. They're a lot of fun. I like a lot of the towing and recovery. Those are some of my favorite things to watch. I like tow trucks, and so watching them pull out bulldozers and stuff is very entertaining to me. But here we go. We've got the ability to attach a flag. You can see it's breaking world records. I'm not entirely sure what the world records that this one, or world record that this one set, but it is the BroCamino from Diesel Brothers. And I believe the BroDozer has a camshaft, I believe, from Callie's in Fostoria, Ohio. I applied to Callie's a long time ago, probably circa 2011, 2012. Wasn't able to get hired, but nonetheless, let's go ahead and open up this BroCamino. What is sticking so hard to the package? I'm not entirely sure. Oh, those go for the tires. So this isn't obviously a, this is a, I believe, Bandai or Spin Master. Sorry, Spin Master. And because Mattel does not make it anymore. So let's go ahead and, oh, it's got a flag. That's right. Can't forget the flag. There's Breaking World Records. Here's the flag. I know. We all want to see the truck. I get it. So do I. All right. There's the flag, Monster Jam, Breaking World Records. Let's take a look at this truck. Here it is. Man, this thing is sweet. The BroCamino has a Breaking World Records on it. I'm not entirely sure if that is going to be how it's going to be. It's got monsterjam.com, nice tires, BKTs, yellow around the rim. Take a look at the tampoing up front. So they couldn't use the Chevy emblems or anything like that. It's not licensed, but they did do very well at capturing that type of look in the truck without having to actually reference or license it as a Chevy El Camino. But you can still use the BroCamino name because that's not El Camino. How aggressive that looks. Super cool. It's a multitude of parts. Looks like it's 3 parts at least. You've got the frame, which I guess would be the things in gray. You've got what would be the suspension parts in black, and then you have the body, which has the orange metal. Really cool to see. Again, it kind of has the same kind of articulation as the Mattel ones do. And just as a comparison, I do keep BroDozer out on my desk, so there they are. There they are together, BroDozer and BroCamino. This one does not have the Monster Jam logo on the quarter panel. I think there might be one with the quarter panel, Monster Jam logo on the quarter panel. I actually don't know. I think there might be a different one, so maybe this is the second set. I was never able to find the first one. This is the only one I've ever found on the pegs. So if you guys have found a different one, definitely let me know. But you'll see that BroDozer definitely has the Monster Jam on the quarter panel, while this one has the Monster Jam Breaking World Records. So they are definitely comparable in size. And yeah, there's the 2 Diesel Brother vehicles. I guess you'd have Diesel Dave and Heavy D, although I don't think Heavy D races. I think Diesel Dave drives or has driven it. I have not watched Monster Jam in a long time. I used to be a huge Monster Jam fan. But when cable TV went away, basically, then so did my ability to watch a lot of Monster Jam. Take a look at that. Pretty cool. So there you go. There we have it. There is BroCamino. Stunning view of this truck. Let me know all that you know. I love learning from all of you guys. It's fantastic. You guys are the best. Thank you so much for all the information. Let me know if you found it. Let me know if you like the BroCamino or the BroDozer or Monster Jam in general. And until the next one, Have a good one.